In September, Meta presented Ray-Ban Stories smart glasses that can take photos and videos, share this content on social networks, listen to music or make calls. Developed in partnership with Facebook and EssilorLuxottica, Ray-Ban Stories start at $299 and are available for purchase at select retailers in the US, as well as Australia, Canada, Ireland, Italy, and the UK. The glasses have dual built-in 5-megapixel cameras that allow for first-person shooting. The gadget is able to take photos and record videos lasting up to 30 seconds using a button or using Facebook Assistant voice commands. An LED built into the glasses lights up when taking a photo or video, so that people nearby know when the capture is taking place. The device's built-in memory is enough to store about 30 videos or 500 photos. Ray-Ban Stories sync with the new Facebook View app for iOS and Android, which lets you import, edit, and share content captured on the smart glasses.